How to uninstall Microsoft Office 365 from Windows 11 or 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can uninstall Microsoft Office 365 from Windows 11 or 10. The first thing you want to do is click on the start icon and from here select the gear icon. This will open up your settings. Now click on the apps option. Here, you want to go through all the installed applications on your device or use the search bar at the top to search for Microsoft 365. Go ahead and click on it once you have found it. Now click on the uninstall option. Here it says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So go ahead and click on the uninstall option. Once you do that, Microsoft 365 will be uninstalled from your laptop or PC. Simply restart your computer after you have done that, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.